Before candlelight services and icy sidewalks hit, give your church 30 minutes that could prevent a major loss. Today, I'll walk you through a simple year-end insurance checklist for Kentucky churches so that you can start January confident. I'm Adam Sheridan with Reed Brothers Insurance, and we help Kentucky churches from small country congregations to multi-building ministries protect their people, their property, and their mission. Winter weather, packed services, and new budgets often expose gaps, outdated values, missing drivers, and unclear event coverage. The good news, a short, structured review fixes most of it. Here's the plan. Number 1, confirm your core coverages. Number 2, run a quick checklist across the people, property, vehicles, events, and cyber. Number 3, close any gaps before next month hits. Let's hit the highlights step by step. So let's go over the big 5. Number 1 is your property. Do your current building limits reflect today's rebuild cost for your sanctuary, your classrooms, gym, sheds, and the parsonage? Number 2, general liability. That's going to protect slip and fall, and events like special events should be clearly included. Number 3, abuse and molestation liability. Keep separate limits on these and document training and background checks. Now, some insurance companies have restricted or even have completely removed this coverage. Verify what's on your policy. Number 3, workers' compensation. In Kentucky, employers with 1 or more employees must carry workers' comp. If you have paid staff, keep this active and accurate. Number 4, business auto or hired and unowned auto coverage. Cover your church-owned vans and any staff or volunteers using personal vehicles for their ministry. People and payroll. Update your employee roster and sort W-2 versus 1099. Keep volunteer roles clear. Record background checks and training for anyone working with minors or doing counseling. Next, your property and equipment. Review building values and ask about ordinance or law coverage. This is especially important for older sanctuaries. Schedule high-value instruments and AV on inland marine. Photograph stained glass and fine arts annually. What about winter and severe weather? Have a written snow and ice plan and then keep a dated log. Maintain heat in all your buildings and insulate pipes. Test generators safely and then trim any risky limbs around the property. Vehicles, events, and cyber. First, your vans, buses, and personal vehicles. Update your driver's list, pull MVRs, and follow passenger van safety rules. If people run errands in personal cars, confirm hired and unowned auto coverage. And then also remind them that their personal auto insurance is going to be primary for any damage done to their vehicle. How about ministries, events, and facility usage? For concerts, lock-ins, or outside rentals, collect COIs and use written facility usage agreements with hold harmless language in them. Confirm pastoral counseling liability and who is covered. What about cyber and data protection? Remove former users, turn on MFA for email, giving, and banking, and test a backup restore. Consider cyber liability for funds transfer fraud and ransomware response. Money limits and paperwork. Note each policy's deductible. Your wind and hail deductibles likely differ from the other deductibles on your policies and have probably increased quite a bit the past couple years. So make sure that you're keeping reserves to match that high deductible. Pull loss runs and fix repeat issues like slippery entrances. Confirm the umbrella follows underlying policies. Review D&O coverage, pastoral counseling, and abuse and molestation conditions. File meeting minutes, declarations, endorsements, COIs, and contracts in a master binder, digital and printed. If time is tight, which it is, do these 5 today. Consider it a quick 30-minute audit. Confirm your workers' comp and payroll. Check building limits, and then scheduled equipment. Update your driver's list and make sure you have hired and unowned auto. Verify abuse prevention training, logs, and counseling coverage. Walk the property for winter weather hazards, salt, lighting, and handrails. Stewardship is safety, planning, and care for people. If you'd like help working this list, give us a call at 606-679-6311 or email me at asheridan@rbisomerset.com. We look forward to working with you.